Assalamu alaikum class. Today we are going to learn about counting in tens and ones. This is the first chapter of class 2. Here are the exercises. But first let's talk about tens and ones. Tens and ones are actually the place values. For one, there is a single number. It could be 1 or like 2, but not 12. 1, 2, and for tens it could also be 1 to 9. But if it like tens में अगर हम लोग 10 लिख देंगे तो it will be incorrect. अगर हमें टेंस में जाना है तो हम उसमें एक ही वैल्यू लिखेंगे. एक टेंस के बॉक्स में हमें एक ही वैल्यू लिखनी है. So this is the 12. Ones is basically a single number and then tens make it a double. Like this is as a whole a 12 digit. Okay, let's do the exercise. Here is the question. Which place value cards do you need to make these numbers? The first one is done for you. Okay, here you can see that. Sorry for inconvenience. Yeah, so 62 is in 62 we have 6 and 0. 6 is on tens place value and 0 is on ones place value. So to make 62 we will plus them with 2. 60 plus 2 is equal to 62. For 95 we will write here 90 and at the tens column and at the ones column we will write 5, so it will be 95. For 37 we will write 3 0 30 and then we add 7 in it to get 37. Next next 3 questions are for you. You will do to your own. Next is complete the value of each set of place value counters. The first one has been done for you. So these are the tens and these twos are ones. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30 and 1 is equal to 2. So here we will do it. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30 plus 10 is equal to 40 and then 10 is equal to 50. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we write 4 and adding them we will get 54. And now here I will do one more for you. Let's count the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It will be 80. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will be 6. And sum will be 86. Now note these parts and we will draw and answer is written. But you have to draw and write the numbers here. Okay. Now C part and okay. We will do the rest of the questions in the next video. Kindly share, subscribe, like and view my videos. Thank you.